Bitcoin has broken over $8,400. Is this the bull market confirmation we've all been waiting for, or is this the fake out of all fake outs? What's going on, guys? My name is Crypto Chris, and I'm back with another cryptocurrency breakdown video of Bitcoin, EOS, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Before I jump in this video, guys, you already know what you need to do. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, leave a comment in the comment section. Tick the little bell for a notification of when the next video drops. And guys, if you would like for me to break down any other altcoins, please leave it in the comment section and I will break them down in the next video. Right, let me jump into this with Bitcoin and what's happened over the past couple of days. So in my previous video, I talked about this ascending triangle formation, pattern formation. I mean, like any pattern forming, it's not valid until we have confirmation. And the confirmation I was waiting for was a break of these wicks here. If we broke above it, I said it could take us to $9,000 and beyond. And price literally spiked to just under $9,000 and price is starting to retrace. So what are my next targets? What are my downside targets? Well, I'm going to cover this in this video. So like I said, guys, we broke above the 8,400 region, which was a region that we got rejected 1, 2, 3, 4 times before we had this massive bullish engulfing candle here, guys, which broke us out of that pattern. And price has been we wicked to $9,000 and it coincides with this cluster of support we had back here in May 2018. So in my opinion, for us to continue more to the upside, we are going to need a break of this line here. Let me put this horizontal line here. If we break above $9,000, I'm pretty sure that will catapult price up to $9,500 to $10,000. But guys, like I said, previous resistance becomes new support. So let me just take out this trend line to show you what I mean here. So now we've got this area of resistance up here, and then we have this support now, because obviously previous resistance turns into now support. So we could bounce up and down into this region before making another attempt to break down to the downside. But if we break down under 8,200, guys, I believe this could take price back down to 7,500, even down to 7,000 region. Further upside, guys, if you have a look, this we also have this region here. So this is why I have $10,000 marked out, because back in June, that's where price topped out, and then we absolutely got rejected, and then price slammed all the way back down to $6,000. Like if I get a price range tool, look guys, 10,000, and then following month we had a retracement of 41%, guys. If we break above $10,000, guys, the next target has to be these this double top rejection that we had back in April. So this will be a crucial zone for Bitcoin to break up to and to go above. So guys, just keeping it nice and simple, guys, just showing you what's happened and the next where support can be found and where the new resistance can be found. Right, next altcoin I like to break down, guys, is EOS. If you guys are not aware, EOS have announced they're going to make a big announcement on the 1st of June, and that has ignited a lot of speculation on what the announcement can be. Many people saying the announcement is going to be they're partner up with Activision, Blizzard, and they're going to build a game on the EOS network. So that sparked a lot of speculation, like I said, and price briefly touch the $8 region before being rejected. Also have this fib set up here, guys, and in my opinion, if $8 is smashed through, guys, we have the $9 and $10 region. I mean, once again, look how accurate these fibs are, guys. We have the $9 region where we had this previous rejection here, look, coincides with bang on $9, and then again we have this area of $10 where again we had this price rejection here, and it coincides with $10. So if further down, support can be found on this trend line, guys. Here we've got this nice trend line forming, so it would not surprise me if we have another test of this trend line to test the validity of this trend line before making another attempt to break down to that $8. But my upside targets remains $9 and $10, and if the announcement is going to be a big announcement like they've said, it would not surprise me to touch $9 or $10. Next up we have Ethereum. Ethereum once again retested $280. So we had this wick rejection here, and look at that, bang, another wick rejection here. It is a region that we're struggling to break above, but if we break above this region here, I believe the next region will be $300 would be a given. But I just want to show you guys where price has found support. We have found support once again. Like I said, previous resistance becomes new support. So we have these wicks here that were resistance, and now it's become support. So I believe if we break under this region here, we could find support on this trend line here, and further down on this trend line back down at $240. And the last saving grace would be where this wick went down to, back down to $220. So but at the moment this candle is looking very bearish. We just got to see if this candle's going to hold. If it doesn't, guys, I believe price fall all the way down to $220. Next up, Litecoin. Once again we have this red zone of resistance, guys, and if I zoom in, you can see what I mean. We've had this cluster of resistance before price absolutely melted down, and price has been attracted, and then we've got, once again we have this we wicked to $120, and then price decided to retrace. I mean, if we break above 127 here, I believe the next upside target will be around about the $150. Ultimately, I believe $180 could be on the cards, guys. But at the moment, it will all depend where Bitcoin decides to go, in my opinion. Many people saying that altcoins were about to run. I mean, people take the profits and will from Bitcoin and will speculate into the altcoins, and with Binance margin trading about to be released this week, in my opinion, it wouldn't surprise me if this would ignite the altcoin season, and in my opinion people will speculate for altcoin to the upside. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Just a quick breakdown of what's happened over the past couple of days and what we can see happening throughout the next week. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Please drop a like, subscribe, comment. If you have any feedback, please leave it in the comment section, and I'll see you guys on the moon. Crypto Chris, over and out.